Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much coffee to use in a mocha pot. First, fill the filter basket completely with your ground coffee. It's important not to tamp it down, just level it gently. This allows for proper water flow and extraction. Using the right amount ensures a rich, flavorful brew every time, avoiding weak or overly strong results. Aim for a consistent, medium-fine grind for best performance. Next, let's talk about water. Fill the lower chamber with water up to just below the safety valve. This valve is a critical safety feature, so never cover it. Many enthusiasts prefer using hot water from a kettle to start, as it can reduce the brewing time and prevent the coffee from tasting burnt. This simple step significantly impacts your final cup. The grind size is incredibly important for mocha pot brewing. You'll want a medium-fine grind, something resembling table salt. If your grind is too fine, it can pack too densely, leading to over-extraction and a bitter taste. Conversely, a grind that's too coarse will allow water to pass through too quickly, resulting in a weak and watery brew. Precision here makes a big difference. Finally, let's cover some brewing tips. A good starting point for a coffee-to-water ratio is 1 part coffee to 7 parts water by weight. For example, a 6-cup mocha pot typically uses around 25 grams of coffee. Keep the heat on medium-low and remove the pot from the stove as soon as the coffee stream lightens in color, preventing over-extraction and a burnt taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.